Kenzo. Pallaso wakubye tune. Oyina kubeera wali masonansika. My brother. Yeah man. Webale kuba na mutima mulungi. Tune eno njiweereza Uganda yonna bakyali bange mwenna. B2C buli muyimbi yazze wano. Fik Famaica nyigire ka spice ako bikankolere. Spice Diana. This is your song, my brother. Oh, the money man is in the building. Ready in Africa, young Mandela. I love you, brother. Shout. So we are already straight to the heart. And slowly I'm a big falling in love. I will never ever take you for granted. To my baby, you can say that. You want it all every time. Put on your camera, I tell Zzina. Ready in Africa. So baby, I'm a baby now, baby. Somebody say, I'm a corner breaking up a ball, baby. There is a change that's just spicy. I'm a corner breaking up a ball, baby. I love you. Ready to go baby, I'm a yeah, my baby pretty like a rose flower. So when it's turning a change, so baby, I'm a corner bringing up a was spicy. Pretty like a rose flower. If that money can't be the problem, Fik Famaica education on their Pallaso. And in a rose spice, they are not a send the tune in a woman, I want to wear a robe. Spicy, spicy, bambi, guagaladio. Spicy, spicy, bambi, guagaladio. Spicy, spicy, bambi, guagaladio. Spicy, oh, spicy, malamu. This is amazing, man. We're all here, man. We're all here, DJ, we cannot have this song and not have a rap in this song. Fik Famaica, now you are here. DJ, run the tune one more time. We need to have a rap in this song. Please put down a remix here to him. Come on, let's do it. Fik Famaica, what's up now? Show. Pallaso man, I respect your hustle. But I respect your hustle. When I could live, I never get lost. I take a friend, not to live, I come in. I like CFM Zzina, you know how we do it. Now it's your get it. Rock the get. What's it? Yeah. Thank you everybody. Thank you Eddie Kenzo. Thank you Navio. Thank you Spice Dan. Awake you better, my brother. I love you from the bottom. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you, my brother. Fiki, always, you know where we come from. Yeah, man. Even though you don't come from the ghetto, you know where we come from.
Come high.
This year, 9 fresh will be crystal higher.
Kale bambi naije baleko. Baganda bange bonna baze ku stage. What a moment, eh? Bibaddeho kati tetuna planning that far ahead. Neche mmanyi nti mu Ugandan history with the young generation ekyo kibadde ekintu ekitabangawo era tulaze ekifaananyi ekirungi kinene nnyo eri eggwanga n'abaddako banayigira ku ffe nti abantu balina okwagalangana tulina okuwagirangana tuli bamaanyi awamu nange mbadde sobola kiyimba bumu ne kinyuma bwe kityo ne bwe mbadde nabo ate obulamu tubadde nice tosobola garanti nga zimalawo naye bwe tukwatakwatako bwe tutyo kati nga Eddie Kenzo abayimbi bonna ba Fik Famaica, Spice Diana, Waiki Benda, everybody showing that much love. People will learn to love again. We have the influence. Let's try. Even one step is enough. We have started. Hamu yatadde application egenda okukyusa Africa. Bagita Hams app eri ku iOS, eri ne ku Android. Tugenda kuba revolutionizing Africa from Africa. Era tulina okubeera proud of it. Kubeva waka plan je tuina. I'm officially promoting and popularizing the app. Nkola naye yakoze nange nga influencer. Yes, era nsobola okweyita ambassador kuba kubuli ekikwata ku app eyo nkimanyi ate njagala nnyo ate njagala ne bannayuganda bagimanye kubanga yakabyezze kukyusa ebintu bingi mu ham mukwano gwange nnyo bambi sente ampa bwe mba nzeetaaga so amangi okusinga bwe mubanja without a doubt naye nga eno app yagikoze nange nedaba nga kirungi eri abavubuka eriko engeri nyingi zosobola okusharinga talent yo no exhibiting kyoli so nensalawo engeri gyevudde Uganda tugirage love nyingi ebirala sente tujjafuna naye tukole ebintu ebizimba eggwanga first.
So, congratulations. It's your time to shine. It's your time to shine. Thank you so much.